Good morning. If there's one tradition that won't be totally abolished by COVID-19, it is the cream egg tradition. And while I can't, unfortunately, do what I normally do with these cream eggs, for the time being anyhow, for now, I'm going to use the egg as a symbol. The egg is a symbol of hope. And it's a symbol of hope because it embodies new life. From the outside, eggs appear stone cold, and yet they enclose promising life to emerge from them. That is why eggs are given at Easter time. Following the tragic events of Holy Week and Jesus' death on the cross, Easter Day brings with it new life out of chaos and hope out of tragedy. Now, more than ever, we need a message of hope. Arising out of the chaos and tragedy that is the coronavirus, we need to hold on to hope. Hope for an effective vaccine rollout. Hope for a reduction in COVID cases. Hope that people will adhere to the restrictions that little while longer. Hope that we will soon be able to get together with all our family again. Hope that our schools can and will reopen fully and safely for everyone. And given the impact COVID-19 has had on us individually and globally, we need to hold on to hope for a fresh view of humanity, hope of an enriched way of being, hope of a renewed sense of self, hope of a new respect of others, hope for an improved way of treating and caring for others, hope for an improved way of treating and caring for our world, our environment. So go and get an egg, be it a cream egg or a real egg or whatever sort of an egg, and keep it as a symbol of hope. Because whatever happens, we always have hope. Bye for now, and happy Easter to you all.